everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Manisha, aka the Dancing Panda, and today we are going to talk about. Film starts with a mysterious bomb blast which is followed by Rani Kashyap's investigation as she is accused of her husband's murder. अब accused तो क्या, the police is so sure about their theory and at the same time they are so excited to listen to Rani's stories that they are collected around like a कवि सम्मेलन. और वहीं पुलिस स्टेशन में फ्लैशबैक में शुरू होती है फिल्म की असली कहानी. Haseen Dilruba is the story of Rani Kashyap, who is a feisty, confident, outspoken Delhi girl, aka the bold type. And she's obsessed with romantic thriller novels by Dinesh Pandit. मगर एक दो failed relationships के बाद she settles for shy, quiet, underconfident engineer Rishu, aka the safe type. Until he's not. जिसे रानी से पहली नजर में ही प्यार हो जाता है, वो भी इतना that he gets a tattoo of her name. और सबके मना करने के बाद भी Rishu marries Rani and immediately realizes that it was a big mistake. Now Rani and Rishu are in a loveless marriage and the screenplay becomes quite annoying because the conflict is dragged and drama is created where there wasn't any need for it. But this empty space is filled with comic sequences of bickering between Rani and Rishu's mother, which are funny but are completely undercut by the jarring background music. और हाँ, अभी तक romantic thriller में कहीं thriller नहीं है. But then enter Neil, the physical manifestation of Rani's dream man, aka the bad boy. He's handsome, confident and also does river rafting. तो बस फिर क्या, नदी किनारे बालकनी पर मीट क्यूट्स, एक दूसरे को देख के मुस्कुराना, शर्माना and boom, extramarital affair, which then leads to Rishu, played by the brilliant Vikrant Massey, go on this psychotic character arc, and that is the most interesting and troublesome part of the film. After that, things happen, stories are told, interrogation happens, cover-ups happen, and eventually we find out what actually happens. The biggest problem with Haseen Dilruba is that writer Kanika Dhillon, who has aced interpersonal relationships, lacks conviction here. Unlike her previous works, for example मन मर्जिया, जहाँ तीनों ही lead characters के साथ audience का ऐसा emotional connection बनता है that you are rooting for all three of them. But here it is difficult to root for even one of the characters. जहाँ एक thriller में of course चीजें over the top होती हैं, but there is always a human element to the characters which make the audiences interested in the characters' journey. Here there is a lack of that. And even the final revelation of what actually happens is also not convincing. In fact, जो लगता है कि हुआ है before you find out कि actual में क्या हुआ है could have been a way more plausible ending in my opinion. Does that make sense? I mean, it will if you watch the film. Here, writer Kanika Dhillon and director Viral Mathew have tried to create a romantic thriller with a dash of comedy. पर इन अलग अलग genres में तालमेल की कमी की वजह से the pacing of the film is absolutely absurd. The film only holds up because of Taapsee Pannu and Vikrant Massey. Both have done their best with the material at hand. In fact, both are at their best in the penultimate sequence of the film. And the range that Vikrant Massey brings to the character is a masterclass in acting. Along with these two, Yamini Das as Rishu's mother is an absolute natural and really stands out. You can also check out her performances in films like Sui Dhaga and Ram Prasad Ki Tervi. Meanwhile, Harshvardhan Rane has a very little screen time and is reduced to doing this. Overall, Haseen Dilruba is an average attempt at genre-bending cinema with a serious lack of conviction, which is saved by Taapsee Pannu and Vikrant Massey's stellar performance. Well, that's my review of Haseen Dilruba. अगर आप तापसी पन्नू, विक्रांत मासी, हर्षवर्धन राणे इनमें से किसी के भी फैन हैं या आपके पास कोई और अच्छा रीजन है to watch Haseen Dilruba or you're just curious, the film is available on Netflix. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो do not forget to hit the like button, leave all your feedback in the comments and do not leave without subscribing. अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फटाफट से वो लाल बटन दबा दो. And with that, that's it from me today. I will see you next time. Until then, keep doing what you love. Bye bye.